than I am. Branding and vanity in one move. Fuck yeah, I'm in for that. So, what did I just say? I hit 10,000 steps on my Fitbit already. 11,000, yes, I got a couple more hours to go. So, what that means is that after the show, I can have as many fries and McFlurries as I want. Because that's how health works. Huh? Yeah, and then I'll have green tea and all the fat just melts out. This is how science works. Guys, what's McFlurries are like my summer thing. What's like a summer drink for you? Rosé. Beer.
Guys, I don't know shit about wine. Like, for real.
I don't either.
Right?
I don't either.
Like, when I need to get like a fancy wine, if I'm going to a house party, like
Okay.
I'll go to a wine rack and I'll be like, guys, everyone in the wine rack needs to help me buy this wine because I don't know what the fuck's going on.
I hate hanging out with my friends who are in their 30s. They're like 30-something ladies. Because they know how to pronounce Pinot Grigio in restaurants properly, and I'm always like, did I don't even fucking know if I nailed it. I just kind of say it. What was the other one? The Sauvignon Blanc. I usually
hear it a lot.
I hear it a lot. No, I went to a restaurant with my friend the other night, and she's like in her 30s, and I was like, I'll get the Sauv Blanc, and the waiter literally was like, okay. I am poor.
I think university I had.
Looking to buy a gun. I just don't know.
So yeah, that's great. You know, we got to get everything you need here. We got your, you got your Lugers, machine guns. What are you looking for?
Just a lugger, yeah.
Sorry, what?
Just a lugger, yeah.
Lugger, yeah.
That's European, right? Yeah, I just want to like a, yeah.
Listen, you know what? I'm fucking sick and tired of you hipsters coming in here. Now that guns are all over the media, you guys want to come in here and order a lugger. It's a Luger, okay? There's a finesse to this.
Just put up 45 in it and I'll take it to go.
You know what? I'm gonna need you to leave my store. You know what? You're an embarrassment to the fine art of gun craftsmanship. It's a fine history. It's a fine history, and you're spitting all over it.
That's a fucking gun. You shoot people with it.
You pronounce it Luger.
It's a Luger.
The handle's quite ornate. You just can't say.
I want.
This was handcrafted.
Don't
Okay.
sell me a gun if I don't say Luger. Like. What's wrong with that?
You know, I'm more than a gun salesman. Okay. I'm a connoisseur. Okay. This is my craft.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, what? Yeah.
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 Wait, oh, what? Oh, you think squinting eyes and what? Yes. Say Luger.
I'm not gonna
Say Luger.
Lugger.
to say.
Lugger. Why don't you take one of your guns and shoot me with it?
We're wine bitches. Yeah. Some would call us wine ladies. Not us. Not us. We prefer bitches.
Thanks for coming over.
Yeah, we love hanging out with you, Beth Lenica. Yeah.
I didn't think that it would be this easy. I mean,
It's not. It takes work being this bitchy.
no, I mean, I don't know how to be bitchy yet. I'm sure that's really difficult. I just meant to have you come over. It's my 38th birthday, and I haven't really had a formal party before, so.
If we were ladies, we'd feel bad right now. But we don't, because we're bitches!
Enjoying your tea, sir?
I am.
The tea was hand selected by a very dedicated sommelier. France. Can you taste the flavors of the full bodiness of the tea?
Yes, Mom! God!
Charles, I gave him the tea. I'm afraid. How can you be king? How can you become king if you're so blasé about tea?
Mom, I don't care! I never asked to be born, I never asked to be king. It's a lot of responsibility.
It was a lot. I couldn't handle it.
Shut up, Grandma!
It's just look out the window outside the palace.
Oh, great. English.
Look at all those gross people who look out to you.
Hi!
Oh, it's the king! We love you, king!
Long live the king!
Oh, I'm close to
Super ill gross. The least you can goddamn do is just like enjoy your motherfucking goddamn tea.
Mom, how dare you speak to the king like that?
Oh.
The energy in my arms.
Shut up, Mom!
I think there's gonna be a few changes around here.
Oh, don't you dare pull this Game of Thrones bullshit on me right now, alright?
Oh, I will, Mom.
Oh, no, you won't. Because I can send you to your room. Huh?
No, you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
I'll send you up to your room, and I'm gonna get you to read like a Wikipedia page on tea, and what's gonna happen now, huh?
I put the Game of Thrones on.
Oh, Mom, don't do this. Don't do this right now.
I know you always like
Shut up! Shut up! Doesn't want to hear. I have a lot of catching up to do when it comes to Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
Game of Thrones, whenever I think of that show, I think of taxes, because that's my time to catch up. Game of Thrones, instead of actually doing my taxes, every year I'll put all my receipts out, I'll feel like I'm accomplishing a lot, but then I'll put Game of Thrones on, and I'll just like start making labels for sections, and watch Game of Thrones, and I won't actually do my taxes until like a month later.
Quick question.
Yeah.
How much do you owe the government? Let's open up.
We're having a very real discussion. I don't know because I haven't received it back this year, but my hope.
That's a bad sign.
You should at least get a letter.
You put it in yet?
There's just like a lot of shit.
Is that preventing you from putting it in? You're gonna blame it on all the shit?
You better put it in.
We've been waiting a long time.
So many people are waiting, and all you can look at is all the shit.
Honey.
You think finagling the shit is gonna move it out of the way and get it ready for you to put it in?
Our baby's waiting in the car.
I haven't seen
Our dog is in the car. Our baby and our dog are in the very hot
You know
car.
what? Your taxes are really fucked up, and I just work part-time in H&R Block, so I don't know what you want from me. You have your receipts in a jelly bean bag.
That jelly bean bag is an investment, sir. You don't know how much that's gonna pop up years from now.
I know. And you bring your like weird.
Yeah, my kids, I can't go anywhere without them.
Really, I don't get paid enough for this.
I am not the one who's paying you, so that's not something you take up with me. You know what it is, for fuck's sake! You listening to what I have to deal with at home? Yeah. Do you think that if I didn't work 18 different jobs just to try to put food into that one's mouth, and well, I don't have to worry about that one anymore because looks like it's passed on. But I am not complaining about my work and my life to you. All I'm saying is that, sure, there's a lot of shit, but I'm not complaining about my shit. All I'm saying is, put it in.
My baby's still in the car.
Ready for the surgery?
Of course.
Good. Right, now, just remember, yes.
Once you pass your residency, you're ready to do real surgery.
Right.
This is my job shadow for the
Of course, of course. Okay, well,
Now, do you cut the superior vena cava or the inferior vena cava? Good question.
are you asking me or telling me?
Look in your heart.
All right, it's the superior.
Right again. So right.
All right. That's okay. The body's in front of us. All right. Good. There we
Oh,
go.
the nurse joined in.
Okay. Right.
I once held a scalpel at York.
All right. Incision. Okay.
Okay, I'm touching the heart.
There's a lot of bleeding. There's a lot of bleeding.
I'm touching something fleshy. I'm not sure what
Okay,
though.
that's just my body.
That's his trapezius.
Oh, you want
Okay.
to work out, dude?
All right. Thank you.
He works out
Okay.
fine.
All right. The patient is bleeding. I feel like we should.
What do you think? Third person in the middle hasn't said anything.
First day, this wasn't on house.
Listen, you two get in here. Yeah, this is what happened. This is what happened to somebody who couldn't pronounce what weapons they were holding on to. This is what happened when all the rest of the military ran out onto the field. And yeah, people died out there. What do you got to say for yourself standing here not even picking up a weapon?
No, quite frankly, my dear. Have you seen these hands? They're far too delicate to be holding such barbaric weapons.
And the whole chain of command here is really snarky. I'm not having it.
You're not having it. Well, let me tell you, in a country that doesn't want to have terrorists coming in a country that wants to be free, that doesn't want to be oppressed, they don't need to know how to pronounce these things. They just pick them up. So those hands and that care factor, you can shove them and pick up that Luger.
It's what?